Well, Heidi ho, friends and neighbors. Just doing a quick video today. I was just firing up the forge. I had to make another Ulu style herb chopper for an order, and I know I've done a video on that in the past, so I'm just gonna kind of throw one together here. It's not gonna be a how-to. If you want to see how I do these, go look at the other video. This is just kind of a little, hey, thanks for sticking with me through the big change of splitting up the Jeep channel and this channel, and a little bonus video for you of some forging footage, I guess. I don't know. I just felt like forging. Here, I'm taking some video of it too. All right, now I'm just gonna go fire up the forge now. So if you made it this far into the video, you get a special little bonus. I'm going to give you a preview of what's coming up. There's a gentleman from Canada. I'm from the US. His name is Christopher. My name is Jason. He runs Freeze Forge. I run HOJ Forge. We both make YouTube videos, and we decided to do a bit of a collaboration, and that's actually going to kick off my Damascus series of how I put together different billets with different patterns that are just easier to do by hand. Because you don't have to just stick with a random pattern when you're doing it by hand, but you can't get, I mean, you can, but doing a lot of the mosaics and things like that is just so time consuming, it would make it cost prohibitive to try and do it by hand. You need presses and power hammers and things like that. So there are a few different tricks that I've come up with on putting billets together that can give you some pretty cool patterns and things like that, and so I'm going to go through a few of them. The first one I'm going to do is one that I call Twisted Trails. It's the same one I used on this tomahawk, and I'm going to be doing a billet made like that and sending it off to Chris, and Christopher is going to be making some kind of blade out of it, and so we're just going to do a little collaboration. So that's pretty cool, but that's coming up. Yeah, I don't know when. I'm waiting on some steel. I got to get it ordered, and then when it gets here, I'll be putting that together. video, nothing new, nothing special, but there she is, ready to ship out to the customer. Yeah, I'm sorry, my whole life these days at the forge is these and those flint strikers. That's all people are ordering. So I think this might actually be my last order for a while, so I should be able to get started on those Damascus, that series I want to do as soon as that other steel gets here, which should be this week sometime. So fingers crossed, I'll have a bunch more videos coming out for you guys. Thanks again, Jeep people. Go to the new Heap of Jeep channel. I'll put the link in the description. Everybody else, please like, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff. See you next time.